from the green screened area. It's totally Kevin.
So like this one time, I was all like hungry, so I like went to the fridge and it was all empty. I said, "Hey Mom." She said, "Yeah." I said, "The fridge is empty." She said, "Oh, okay." And then I said, "Hey Dad." He said, "Yeah." I said, "The fridge is empty." And he was all like, "Bummer." I didn't have any breakfast that day. And like this one time, I met The Rock, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. And then he asked me, he said, "Hey Kevin." I was all like, "Yeah." He said, "Do you smell what The Rock is cooking?" I said, "No. Rocks can't cook. They're all like rocks." And like this one time, I was in my green screened area, and I could have swore I heard this woman say from a green screened area, "It's totally Kevin." Who is that woman talking to me? Mom, is that you?
That was totally Kevin.
There it is again. Oh well. Totally.